There's Dallas-Fort Worth that's in the middle of this trouble spot that we're tracking as an area of low pressure has been bringing the flooding rain. Craig and I were just talking about some of the stronger storms we already see this morning. This comes as travelers are trying to make their way home ahead of a long Thanksgiving weekend. Fox Weather Correspondent Katie Bryne is in Dallas.
Yeah, Katie, we want to check in with you today and see what travelers can expect making their way through the state out there. Big day. I mean, this all began really over the weekend, and now we're full on travel mode.
So true. We are in it now. Tomorrow is supposed to be the busiest day at the airport, so we'll keep you updated on what we see. I can tell you I flew in from Philly last night, and it was smooth. I didn't have any delays, nothing like that getting in here, but now people are worried about weather coming to the region today, maybe causing a domino effect of travel trouble that could linger. And we know, unfortunately, this is one of the busiest, if not the busiest travel week of the year. So something that we're going to be tracking from the beginning to the end. But today here on Monday, as we kick off this holiday week, we are tracking this from Dallas, where we're expected to feel some rain. A flood threat is possible, and this is a city that just actually saw some record rain in the last few days. But if you look at what we're dealing with when it comes to this travel, we know from AAA that nearly 82 million people are expected to go somewhere for the Thanksgiving holiday. That's the number that's people who are expected to travel more than 50 miles in some way, so either in the air or on the roads. Tuesday is supposed to be that busiest day for people who are going to be hitting the airports, and today's weather could impact flights, of course, at airports in Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. But we know that really doesn't mean anything, because you can have a flight in Dallas that gets canceled, and that plane was supposed to get to Philly, and then that means we're also seeing impacts in the Northeast as well. So even though we're seeing weather in a specific region, it could have an impact on your flight somewhere else in the country too. We're going to keep our eye on this. Of course, we haven't had any rain just yet so far in Dallas. I got in late last night and then up, just a few hours later, early this morning. So I haven't seen a single drop just yet. I feel like I've seen a lot of Dallas already, but I know we're expecting to see some of that rain pick up, and this is all just on the heels of a very heavy rain day. Just last week here in Dallas, they set a record actually for the most rain that they've gotten in a 24-hour period in November. They got almost 4 inches of rain across the region, but here at DFW, that's what was recorded. So a ton of rain. It did lead to some ponding on the roads, especially secondary roads, it looked like, not so much the highways, but as soon as you got off, you saw some of that ponding happening, and of course, unfortunately, cars trying to drive through it, and some unfortunately spinning out. So something just to keep in mind if you're going to be on the roads today, because of course a lot of people will be flying, but some people will be driving too. We're going to try to catch up with people today as they wake up this morning. It's still early here, but we know some people like to get an early start when they're heading home for the holidays, guys.
Yeah, no kidding. You always hear take that first flight, right, Katie? Because oftentimes you get delays later on in the day. How about parking? This is a silly question, but I know a lot of people trying to get to the airport. If they don't take rideshare, you might need extra time for that too, because you're going to deal with weather, and then you get there and you're like, okay, I don't have a place to park.
Oh, yeah. It's something that's so important to think about, because I remember oftentimes at the Philly airport, too, sometimes they would close lots here and there based on shortages, like staffing shortages. So that lot that you think you have that you're always going to go to may not be open. So always good to check things like that. But I had a 6:45 p.m. flight last night, Philly time, into Dallas. I got here around 9:45 local time, and I mean, no issues at all. So good. I took an Uber to get there. No traffic at that time. It was a weird situation though, because there was an Eagles-Cowboys game last night. That
Cowboys
on my way here was looking good.
Cowboys took the win.
Not now.
The only
a lot
reason
of Eagles fans here in my hotel not happy.
The only reason why I cared about this game is for my fantasy team. Dak Prescott is my quarterback, and I am like second place in the Fox Weather Fantasy League.
Wow,
so Dak pulled one out for me, but
so you're happy about this?
I'm happy about this one, but typically I would like the Eagles. I'm just too close with Jane.
Yeah, that's true. All right, Katie, good to see you. I saw somebody waving at you behind there. So good friendly conditions this morning. Hope we keep it up. She just walked by. She's going to her flight. Katie Bryne live from Dallas. Thanks so much. We'll check in with you throughout the day. Also,